Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to force Windows 11 to automatically disable your touchpad the moment you plug in a mouse. First, click the Start button and select the Settings gear icon. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Bluetooth and Devices. Scroll down and click on the Touchpad row. At the very top, you'll see the main touchpad toggle. Don't turn it off yet. Click the small arrow next to the On/Off toggle to expand the hidden settings. Look for the checkbox that says Leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. Uncheck this box. Now, as soon as you plug in a USB mouse or connect a Bluetooth one, your touchpad will instantly deactivate. Unplug the mouse and your touchpad wakes right back up. And that's it. No more accidental clicks or erratic cursor movements. I hope this helps with your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.